Hello, Canada friends. In today's video, we will be discussing the 3 best Chat GPT AI apps for Android. With the advancements in artificial intelligence technology, these apps have revolutionized the way we interact and engage in conversations. So, if you're looking for a chat app that can simulate real-time and intelligent conversations, Now AI. Now AI is an advanced Chat GPT AI app for Android that leverages artificial intelligence to provide users with an interactive and engaging chat experience. It is designed to understand and respond to users' queries, providing helpful suggestions and recommendations based on their preferences. With a user-friendly interface and impressive natural language processing capabilities, Now AI ensures seamless and meaningful conversations with its users. AI Chat. AI Chat is another top-rated Chat GPT AI app available for Android devices. This app utilizes the power of artificial intelligence to simulate real-time conversations with users. By employing machine learning algorithms, AI Chat can understand and generate responses based on the context of the conversation. It offers various features such as voice input, multi-language support, and an extensive knowledge base to provide accurate and informative answers to users' queries. ChatBot AI. ChatBot AI is a popular Chat GPT AI app that offers an intuitive and interactive chatbot experience on Android devices. This app is equipped with cutting-edge natural language processing technology, allowing it to understand and respond to user inputs effectively. ChatBot AI can assist users in various tasks, such as answering questions, providing recommendations, and even engaging in casual conversation. With a wide range of customizable features and a user-friendly interface, ChatBot AI has gained a reputation as one of the best AI chat apps for Android. That concludes our discussion on the 3 best Chat GPT AI apps for Android. Don't forget to let us know your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.